dreams aren't staying here. They all say this is enough. Work all day and don't ask much, but every time I see the sky, something in me wants to fly. Maybe there's a road ahead, past these fields and forge instead. Maybe I'm meant for something more than what I'm standing here for. I'm more than a blacksmith, more than iron and flame. There's a fire inside me, calling out my name. I won't stay behind these walls, I won't watch my whole life crawl. If destiny is waiting there, then I'm already halfway there. Oh, every scar upon my hands, every dream they don't understand. I spent years doing what's right, but now I'm ready for a fight. Maybe I don't know the way, maybe I'll get lost someday, but I'd rather fail and try than never spread my wings and fly. The world is bigger than this town, and I won't spend my life looking down. I'm more than a blacksmith, more than iron and flame. There's a fire inside me, calling out my name. I won't stay behind these walls, I won't watch my whole life crawl. If destiny is waiting there, then I'm already halfway there. What if they're wrong? What if they're wrong? What if they're right? What if they're right? What if I'm stronger than I realize? Maybe the answers wait beyond the door. Maybe I'm exactly what I've been looking for. I'm more than a blacksmith, more than what they see. Every spark I've ever forged was leading here to me. No more fear, no more chains, no more hiding from the flame. If destiny is calling now,